Okay, RV fans, we're going to make a video of our little kitchen area so you can see what you have and how to use it all. So come on inside. You've got 2 towels and you've got pot holders. Down here you've got a blender, a bullet blender, and you've got a kettle. Got some rags, cutting board, a wok, a grill, and pots are behind there. So you've got pots behind there. Alright, close that up. There is a power outlet right there, as you can see. And then down here we have all your cleaning supplies and toilet tissue. So you have a toaster oven, toilet tissue, paper towel, foam cleaner for the carpet, dishwashing liquid, hand sanitizer, and then this guy right here is for the toilets. Drop one of these, that little TST Max right there, drop one of those in the toilet every so often so it keeps it smelling nice and good for you. You've also got some washing sponges right there. So that's that. Whenever you're using the water, as far as washing dishes and stuff like that, try to contain your usage. Drip drip is always better in an RV. You got your cleaning supplies, you got your air freshener. That big guy there looking like a Home Depot thing is bleach water. So bleach water there. You got some Clorox wipes and some more tissue. Okay, and there's a couple of air fresheners down there. So we've got all that in the RV for you. Your sink. Your sink lid just comes right off right there. And then always make sure your water pump's on to get your water going. You've got your propane stove right there. Propane stove. So easy lit. You always kind of want to have the shades open whenever you're cooking, but you don't necessarily have to, but just recommend it. We have latches on all our cabinetry right here, which is where we keep all our dishes and stuff for you. So up top, you got your spoons and stuff. Knife, fork, spoon, chopsticks. We like the Asian theme, so we do chopsticks. Knives there. And then below that, when you take it out, you've got some more utensils as far as knives and whatnot for being able to cook in here properly. Always latch that whenever you start driving to make sure that the drawers don't fly open on you, because they tend to want to do that. That's why I put these latches there. Here, you have your teacups, regular glass cups. I got one bowl up here just for space. And then down below, everybody is in their little foam containers so they don't be bumping up on everything. For the bottom drawer, always lift it up while you're pulling it out. Okay? And then down there you have more bowls, and you've got small dishes and large dishes. 3 small and 3 large. That's about all you need. I'll leave a grocery bag in there for, don't have to carry the grocery bag or carry your own, for just small stuff. Don't forget to always latch these guys. Okay? Refrigerator's right behind you. Gotta push down and pull out. And there you have it. Nice clean refrigerator. Okay, and we've got her going cool for you. Now the refrigerator operates with electric, propane, and battery. And then the A is for automatic. So if we leave the A on, whatever power source that's available right now is what it's going to feed off of. If we plug it into shore power, it goes directly to electric. Nothing's on, it runs off propane. And right now it's running off a battery. And then you have the temperature settings. So all you got to do is just keep it up. If the door starts making noise, a beep, beep, beep sound, that means the door's open. So you just got to close the door back. And the microwave, as you can see, we've given you a microwave food covering container. So whenever you warm your food up, please be sure to use that cover there over your food so we don't have splashes in the microwave, so we can keep it looking nice for everybody else. Alrighty. This is just a leveler, and I just use that every once in a while wherever I go. Depending on where you're parked, you can make sure your RV is leveled so stuff don't roll all over the place on you. So that's what I use it for. Sometimes I also use it to leave the refrigerator door ajar, like that, so we don't have mold growing in the refrigerator when she's just sitting. So we kind of tend to keep it clean for you, as you can see. Very nice, very clean, very unique. Okay. Up here, we've given you some plastic glassware, I guess is what they call them. So you've got some nice glasses there, small ones and large ones, and bowls. And these are plasticware. Please do not throw them out. Wash them up and put them back. Thank you. And the other cabinets are all empty for all your luggage and stuff like that. So as you can see, cabinetry all through. And then in here, we've got our DVD player, our solar panel controller. And then we open up, you have your table. And then I always leave some hangers in here because, you know, I do business and I always have my suits. So I just pretty much leave them in there for my suit hangers. You have a ice cooler, so recommend you always just grab a bag of ice, drop it in the cooler, leave it in there, and ride out. Because the refrigerator, although it does stay cool, it's not as cold sometimes as you might want it to be. So, right now, whenever you rent, we always leave the refrigerator on so it can get cool. So when you get it, it's already going for you. Bathroom accessories again. Okay. And whenever you use the bathroom, it's just easy to do a tap flush. Just tap flush. Because you don't really need that much water because it's a drop tank. As in, stuff just drops right through. Drop tank. Alright. That's for your furnace. As far as heat, we're out up north, so that's not an issue. This one right here is just a vent for the inverter. That is where your table stand would go. And that is where your other table stand would go. We have a refrigerator reset. We have a whatchamacallit sensor right there. And we have an outlet. And that right there would be your circuit breaker control panel. Push it in and then lift it up and you've got your circuit breakers. Okay, anything happens, check your circuit breakers. Under the seat here, we've got some more circuit breakers. So they're push breakers. So when they pop up, that's what happened. There is a tall boy in there, so don't be alarmed. It's just a taller circuit breaker. But when the white pops up, push it back in. That may be the issue you're having as far as something not working. That's pretty much it for the interior kitchen area. Again, nice little view for you. And that's it. So that's the interior of our RV again. Yeah. Alright. Thank you for watching. See you next time.